The following segment is sponsored by Target. We are diving into the holidays, and consumers are searching for the best deals on seasonal must-haves and gifts to delight loved ones. Joining us today to share her tips to help you save on everything from Thanksgiving dinner essentials to the hottest holiday gifts so you can make the most of this season's early savings is smart shopping expert Trae Bodge. Trae, welcome to the show.
Thanks so much for having me.
Of course. All right. So Trae, what are your top tips for saving as consumers head into the holiday season?
Sure. So, of course, we've got a ton on our minds right now. We're trying to find the perfect gifts. We're decorating our homes. We're planning menus. And thankfully, we can do all of that without breaking the bank. Step one is to make a budget that you feel like you can stick to, and then shop at retailers like Target that make affordability its center point. So they're dropping deals every day and every week. And then they have their amazing loyalty program, Target Circle, which automatically applies deals and personalized bonuses at checkout.
All right. So you mentioned deals. What are the deals you are keeping an eye out for?
Yeah, so there are a couple deals right now that I'm really excited about. You don't even have to wait until Black Friday. You can save 25% off Disney toys, 20% off Lego, buy one, get one, 50% off holiday candy. And then they have thousands of must-have items under $20. So it's really easy to save at Target.
Perfect. All right. So we talked about gifting. What about making Thanksgiving prep easier and, more convenient this year?
Yeah, so if you don't have a lot of time to prep, Target has this amazing Thanksgiving meal that's only $20. It serves 4, and it's $5 less than last year, and it contains everything that you need from turkey stuffing and sides, so that makes things really easy. And then Target is reducing prices on 2,000 items throughout the holiday shopping season, and many of those savings will be applied to your Thanksgiving meal.
Perfect. All right. So the holiday rush is upon us. What advice do you have for shoppers looking to save time and avoid the crowds?
Sure. So if you're not a crowd person, you can do drive up or order pickup with Target. Also, if you place an order that's $35 or more, you get free second-day shipping. And if you're a member of Target Circle 360, you can get unlimited same-day delivery. And the Target Circle 360 membership is 50% off right now through December 2nd.
Perfect. All right. Where can we go to find out more?
So Target.com, the Target app, and of course your Target store. And then make sure to check out their weekly circulars for all of these deals that we talked about.
Easy enough. Thank you, Trae. Happy holidays.
Thank you. Same to you.